what is the next opportunity that you're going to take. In this video, you can learn 3 main ingredients of modern marketing. 3 hacks that you need to use if you want to make sure that your business is doing well. And I will talk about those 3 marketing hacks in relation with your own business or with the business that you're going to start in the future. Most of people hate their jobs. And if you're one of those lucky ones who loves what you're doing at your job, then it's fine. But still, you might consider doing the same thing without having a boss. You can do what you love, but still you can get the freedom to manage everything on your own. It's also a responsibility, but you might consider it. Otherwise, because most of people hate their jobs, and because most of people actually settle down for less than they deserve, I want you to consider starting a business or using modern marketing hacks to make your business more successful. The thing is that we want to bring your product to those people who actually need this product because it's going to solve their problems. Very often we procrastinate when it comes to learning and doing something new. So if you are not open for new opportunities, you can leave this video. You don't have to continue watching this video, but if you're open and if you want to grow and develop, then keep on watching. I'm going to write down those 3 hacks in here. And before I do it, when I started my marketing career 15 years ago, marketing used to be quite different. We used to send, regular letters to our clients and make phone calls. And the idea of creating a beautiful offer and bringing it to your potential client is still there. But it's not only about creating a beautiful offer. The way you bring your product to your potential client has changed dramatically in the last even few years. The old way of marketing, when you just describe your product and give the price and show it to everybody and let's see who buys it, it doesn't work anymore. The market is different. The market is full of offers and opportunities. So you need to make sure that you are talking to the right audience, to those people who need your product. So nowadays, how we do our marketing? First thing we do is we provide a lot of free content. So why do you need to provide free content? Because people who are going to buy your product, they need to know more about you, about the product itself. So when you provide free content, for example, I'm now providing you free content on marketing, and you can learn some things for free. Yeah? And this way you get to know me better, and you might decide if you like me or not, if you trust me or not, So when you give your free content, make sure you give a lot of value. It has to be free, but it also has to be valuable for the people that you are talking to. Yeah? The second thing that you definitely need to use nowadays when it comes to marketing is using the power of personal branding. People identify with people, not companies, and people follow people and not companies. Nowadays, it doesn't matter if it's a small business or a huge company. It's all about personal branding. If you like the CEO of a great company, if you find him or her as a great leader, you will probably also want to buy products from that company. And the same when it comes to small businesses, there are so many of them, but if you identify yourself with some particular person, you like this person, you got to know this person because this person is being transparent, being authentic, being interesting and valuable for you, then it makes sense that you might want to buy from that person and not from somebody else. People very often, they will not remember the name of a small company, but they will remember the face of the entrepreneur. So it's all about you, about your face, and the only way that you are different from other businesses is you. So don't hide yourself, don't say I'm an introvert. I'm also an introvert, come on. There are so many people who are introverts, but they go out there and speak to the audience. And the third very important point here is building communities. People like to communicate and they like to be a part of a community. And also, communities provide social proof. And you build communities by using social media. You also build your personal brand by using social media. And you provide content and value to people by using social media. Just like now, you're watching this YouTube video and you get all of it. So people who subscribe and follow me on Instagram or YouTube are the people who become a part of this community, because it's not just random people, it's the people who are interested in some particular topics. Like in my case, it's business and self-development. Let me give you an example. There is a book of mine I'm selling on Amazon. It's in personal development. And I noticed that the majority of people who buy my book are people who follow me on Instagram, who watch me on YouTube. They're not just random people from somewhere, but they are part of my community of those people who are interested in those particular topics, and they're also interested to get this information from me. So this is just a small example how you can sell any product you have, because you're talking to the right audience by providing them value. You're building your personal brand, you're building your community, and for this you need to use social media. Depending on what kind of business you have, you might use different social media, but I would say for the majority of people, when you think globally, Instagram and YouTube is the best combination. Instagram and YouTube are quite different platforms. YouTube has the power of providing a lot of value, because people get used to watch long videos here. Instagram has the possibility to have a closer relationship with your audience, with your community. You get direct messages, you share your life in stories, you also go live just like in YouTube. And there are so many other things, that Instagram offers, that I really recommend that you use both platforms for your business. And it's good to start with one and then continue with the other, because at the beginning you don't want to split your focus too much. And also then when you start with one, then slowly you can bring your audience from one platform to the other. In my case, I started with Instagram in the middle of 2019, and then I started bringing some of the audience to YouTube. So you need social media to be able to use those marketing hacks to build your business, to impact the world, to change the world, so to say. And you might think, well, I don't have any community, I don't have any audience, how to start from scratch? In my next video, you're going to learn how to build a big community from scratch. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you will not miss that video. I hope this video was useful for you. If so, please give this video a like. It really helps me spread this message all over YouTube so that more people can benefit from it. And also leave me a comment if you want to use social media for your business, or if you want to start a business in general. And also this week I provide a 25% discount for my course on 8 ways to monetize your Instagram account, so that you can choose one of those 8 ways you want to implement, or maybe all of them. The link to the 8 ways to monetize your Instagram account is in the description below, so make sure you check it out. Meanwhile, watch some other videos of mine on business and self-development, link here, and I will see you in the next video where you can learn building big communities from scratch. Good luck!